welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Godzilla -1 Atomic Breath. So first, I'm going to be starting right here. We're going to have Godzilla -1's snout, and we're just going to draw a line right there. And now it's going to come like, it's going to be kind of bumpy. And it's going to come kind of out to like right there. So it's just gonna come down like that, and now it's just gonna go down a bit farther, and we're just gonna curve that like that. So now I'm gonna bring it up. So I'm gonna bring it up right like here, and I'm gonna make a lot of bumps because Godzilla -1 is really bumpy, so it's gonna be like this, and then I'm gonna bring that part down right there. So yeah, just like that. And so now I'm going to bring this part over here. And so, just like that. I'm gonna keep bringing it over here, over there, because I just like that. So it has to come back. It has to come back that far because Godzilla -1's mouth is gonna be opened really wide. So yeah, just like that. Now I'm just gonna kind of erase that, and I'm gonna make this come over here more, and make it coming down like that. So yeah, just like that. And so now I'm gonna have it like that. And so then we're gonna have his brow coming up right about here. And so it's gonna be kind of bumpy. It's gonna go up right there. I'm gonna have to make that a bit higher up. Like about up there. Make sure you're drawing hard too, because we don't want any of the lines to be too thin or anything. So just like that. So yeah, like that. And now I'm gonna have the actual line. So it's just gonna come up like that. And we're gonna have another line. It's gonna be like coming like this. So yeah, just like that. And so I'm just gonna zoom in a bit like that. I'm gonna have it zoomed in like that. To have it like, so it's like kind of like, so you can see it better. So yeah, like that. So now I'm going to have his fleshy thing right here. So it's gonna be coming like really far down because his mouth is like really wide opened. So it's gonna be like that. And now I'm gonna have some teeth right here. When we can also have some teeth like right next to this fleshy thing, and we can have some more teeth right here. And so make sure that Godzilla -1 has a lot of teeth, because like, he doesn't have that much teeth. It'll kind of look a bit weird. So yeah. So yeah, just like that now. And I'm just gonna have his nostril right here. And yeah, you can just see a teeny bit of that one right there. So now we can add some more bumps right here. And yeah, just have some more of this detail stuff. And yeah, we've got all that down now, and so now we can add the gum line. So just make sure that this gum line isn't big because we're zoomed up and we want to get as most detail as possible. So just make sure that this thing isn't big, it's like really small. Just keep it like really small. And yeah, like that. And now I'm gonna have his mouth coming down like this. And I'm just gonna make it like this. And so it's just gonna come down a bit more. And I'm gonna erase this part. And I'm just gonna make it come down a bit farther. So I have it coming down like about that. Oh, so yeah, just like that. And so now I'm gonna have this part curving up, and I'm just gonna it's gonna curve up right there, and then it's going to curve down again, and then it's just gonna go off of the paper like that. And now it's just gonna come up like that. It's gonna keep coming up until it just we're just gonna have a lot of these like spiky stuff, and so it's gonna be like that. Okay, and just like that. So, and that's what I have wanted so far for this drawing. And so yeah, just now I'm going to have some detail around like right there. And I have like a lot of like just some bumps and like this kind of detail. Because Godzilla reminds him like he doesn't have like Godzilla, like legendary Godzilla detail. It's like basically like it's not bumps, but it's like you're just like really rocky or something. Like yeah, so yeah, just gonna be like that. And now I'm gonna have his neck, and it's gonna come. Okay, what in the world? So yeah, it's just gonna be like that. And now I'm going to have these details on the fleshy thing. I still don't know what to call it since the start of my channel, so I'm just gonna have some details right here, and I'm gonna make this neck better. So now it's gonna like be more diagonal, so it's gonna be like that, like so yeah, just like that. And now I'm gonna bring this down, and we're just gonna have some just like kind of just some details and stuff. Like there's gonna be a lot of just yeah, so just like that. Now I'm gonna just have all this stuff. Yeah, I'm also going to, I might add chapters down, so if I add chapters, you can just skip around to see what I in drawing. So also just be aware, because if you check, just check in the description if I don't have chapters in the video, look in the description, see that I've marked them there, because sometimes they don't work. So just make sure that I'm not lying or anything. I'm not going to be lying in this video, or I might have just forgot, but check in the description if I have marked chapters, because I'm not going to be lying. So yeah, we're gonna have that like that, and yeah, we're just gonna make this continue like so just like this. This has been a good video so far. Also one of my shortest videos too, because it's currently late and the lighting's gonna turn bad, so I have to hurry up, and that just kills my watch time, but whatever, it's okay. So yeah, I am almost done with this video. And also, if I'm going too fast or something, make sure you pause the video, because I'm pretty sure this video is too fast for a lot of you. So just pause the video if I'm going too fast, because this video is probably going to be too fast for a lot of you. So just make sure you pause it. And so we're gonna have some teeth right here. And just like that. And yeah, so it's gonna be like that. Now I'm just gonna bring this. No, I can't do that. I have atomic breath coming out. So yeah, it's gonna be like that now. And I'm just gonna do this last neck part, then neck and spikes, and then we'll do the atomic breath. So yeah, that's gonna be the neck, and the spikes are just gonna be like sticking up. Okay, so the next, the spikes are just gonna be sticking up from here, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm 100% gonna make a short that my pencil literally just broke just now. I am making a short, and that's gonna get a lot of views, like 2K maybe. So yeah, now we're gonna have the gills. I completely forgot about the gills, so yeah, it's gonna be like this, and have this right here, and just gonna make it all like that. So yeah, now we're gonna have his atomic breath. So his atomic breath is gonna be like really shooting out of his mouth. It's like, this is like probably, I don't know, so it's just gonna be like a really big atomic breath too. So yeah, so now just need to get those, and now we're gonna have his atomic breath. So now I'm gonna have it starting right here, and once you draw atomic breath, just make sure that it's like really like wobbly and stuff, because this is not straight. It's like, it can really be wobbly too. So yeah, it's gonna be coming out like this. And yeah, just going like that. Yeah, I really like this picture. I really hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, just make sure you subscribe. It helps me out so much, because I'm gonna hit 500 subscribers. Thank you all so much for that. I did not expect myself to get 500 subscribers in a year and a half starting my channel. So yeah, and if I could show you my analytics for a second. So like, my analytic, it was like, I used to do like so well in 2024, but in 2025, I totally just completely slowed down, so, well, it's still okay. I'm gonna get 1,000 someday. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you. Okay, I forgot to draw the eye, so I was just gonna be like coming like that, and it's too high. I'm gonna make it like that. So I'm just gonna erase it and just have it like that. Yeah, this is actually, I have to lightly trace first because I'm messing up too much when I do this. It has to be lower. No, I mean lightly draw, not lightly trace. So okay, that's light, and let's just make that a bit thicker. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.